Hi guys, welcome to a week in my life. I'm currently headed to the pickleball court because we signed up for a pickleball tournament, me and my husband, to play doubles, but he had to go for work and so I have been abandoned and now I'm going to play the tournament alone. It's supposed to be from 3:30 to 5:30, but I don't know how long I'm going to last and if I'll even have a partner. So hopefully I play well. I'm not that great, but I look cute. You think that'll help me? Because that seems to be my only hope. And my husband will be making this up to me. I don't know when and I don't know how, but he will. This confusion is because of Akshar not showing up. And now they're trying to fit me in somewhere. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
We have reached and won the finals.
Yes.
First time we played together.
Yes.
Thanks to coaching. Let's go get our prize. Come on.
Not the head and the shoulders here because you were our opponent. Anyways, well done. Please coach our team now going forward.
Me coach. Thank you guys.
Thank you for participating. Thank you for participation.
So we are setting up my Rakhi thali. Put a little atta and you put it down and now it doesn't move. This is the Rakhi. It's a little knot like that. So nice. We have to make the diya. There we go. Ta-da! Let's go for Rakhi.
Can you tell her to get an
She's
earbud?
getting it. She's getting it.
She's getting it.
She's getting it, Papa.
She's getting it. Hello, welcome. You're on my vlog. Okay.
Okay, chalo. Hi, Aku. Taking breaths.
So the vlog should also have the gift that is being given. Oh, right?
No.
Apparently no.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, he doesn't know. Can you please tell me?
Oh yes, of course I will.
Sisters.
Oh wait, why?
What? We have it. We pay.
No, first I have to feed you meeta and then you have to feed me.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I wonder, Uncle. How you take it from
She
me?
wants the Rakhi. Yay!
First prize.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Every year you say you don't need blessings.
This year he definitely needs.
Nora, come in my vlog.
I to enter this room, you're not inside. यहाँ से और रूम भी है पीछे.
Cute, isn't it? It's so
अच्छा
like
रूम
you,
वहाँ से है.
Mama. Aura and this is not the same thing.
Charisma is aura.
Yeah, charisma.
Charisma is a part of your aura.
Tell me how to use ballerina cappuccina in a sentence.
You can't use it in a sentence.
You just call her a ballerina
It's Italian
cappuccina.
brain rot.
Italian brain rot.
अच्छा brain rot.
Yeah.
Brains rot हो रहे हैं.
Italian brain rot.
So like a mermaid, you know, like they're human from here and then fish from down there.
Yeah.
So it's like a ballerina from here, but her head is a cup of coffee, but the coffee is cappuccino.
This guy is also a tree and his name is Brr Brr Pataki.
Oh yeah. That's also Italian.
What is
brain
the
rot.
name?
Brr Brr Pataki.
Italian. But there's one more thing. So tum so her is a baseball bat holding a baseball bat.
अच्छा now I. तुम so.
They're not songs, Mama. It's Italian.
उसके बाद
brain rot.
song
You
बना
can't
रहे.
disrespect them like that. Translate. Go touch grass. You need to touch grass. Translate.
Go touch grass.
Yeah. You need to touch grass.
Very real.
In Gen Alpha.
In Gen Alpha, yeah.
Go touch grass.
You need to touch grass. You
You need to go and chill out.
No.
Go touch grass. Go take a hike.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go lie down. Go do yoga. Go take a walk.
No, we're not boomers in Gen Alpha.
Boomers? We are not boomers.
No, you guys
Our
are
parents are boomers.
How about millennials?
Yes.
We're not boomers. Go touch grass basically means that you keep grinding on Fortnite and that you like really need to go and touch grass because you're like online way too much.
You're grinding on Fortnite.
Oh, that is for you. That's come from the heart of the child. We are going for my friend's son's birthday, and this is what I'm wearing. The dress is from Burnt Soul, bag is from H&M, just some chunky bangles from Dacia and Drame bars, yeah. And just casual fun. We're gonna go for lunch first. First we're gonna go buy the kids some gifts, then we're gonna go for lunch, and then we're gonna go for bowling. Cute outfit. I like it. तुम्हारे लेना, but what about the kids? What about the kids?
I don't know about this.
तुम्हारा नहीं, बच्चों का। उनको तो ऐसे दिखाऊंगा। Zoomed in.
हो गया.
Let's spin up. It's pouring and we have decided to go out in the rain to have fun because we're definitely not traveling anywhere. So now this is the plan. Look at it. It's crazy. That's Antu. Hello. Sorry, Babu. It's just us. You cannot go in the rain. I'm stressing because I have washed and blow dried my hair yesterday, and if I do this, then I'm gonna have to do it all over again today. But we gotta remember to have fun in life and celebrate the small moments. So this is definitely happening. Okay, let's go. Maza aa gaya, guys. Go watch the reel on Instagram. Happy Independence Day, guys. I'm on my way to the flag hoisting ceremony in my society. I thought it'll be fun to show you what they do. It's actually really nice. I'm a bit late, so hopefully I haven't missed it. And they're starting late. But let me take you through that.